Observation of this Vigilance Awareness Week, we observe it every year during the last week of October because the birth day of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel falls in this week, which is today, 26th October. So this is observed to encourage all stakeholders to collectively participate in the prevention of and the fight against corruption, and to raise public awareness regarding the existence, causes and gravity and the threat posed by corruption. And this year is special because the Vigilance Commission has asked everybody to celebrate it for 2 months actually, starting from September, October, and it is called Independent India at 75, Self-Reliance with Integrity, Swatantra Bharat at 75, Satyanistha se Atmanirbharta. So there are the specific agenda of this particular months have been just to bring greater awareness and complaints under public interest disclosure and protection of informers, special clearance and campaign in months of September and October to clear all outstanding vigilance matters and all housekeeping activities. So I hope our vigilance people have taken care of most of the complaints and disposed them off. So today we will take a place, and Madam Sheila will read out the plays in English and in Hindi. Thank you, Madam. Thank you all.
No. So now,
Madam Sheila.
Good morning to all of you. Oh, yeah. So good morning to all of you. Now let us all take this pledge. First I'll read out in Hindi, followed by English. संगठनों के लिए सत्यनिष्ठा प्रतिज्ञा. So I'll start reading it. हमारा विश्वास है कि you can repeat it. हमारा विश्वास है कि हमारे देश की आर्थिक राजनीतिक तथा सामाजिक प्रगति में भ्रष्टाचार एक बड़ी बाधा है. हमारा विश्वास है कि भ्रष्टाचार का उन्मूलन करने के लिए सभी संबंधित पक्षों जैसे सरकार नागरिकों तथा निजी क्षेत्र को एक साथ मिलकर कार्य करने की आवश्यकता है. इस दिशा में स्वयं को एक उदाहरण के रूप में प्रस्तुत करने तथा रक्षोपाय सत्यनिष्ठा ढांचा तथा नीति संहिता साबित करने के अपने उत्तरदायित्व को हम स्वीकार करते हैं. साबित करने के अपने उत्तरदायित्व को हम स्वीकार करते हैं, ताकि यह सुनिश्चित हो हो
ताकि
सके
यह
कि
सुनिश्चित हो
सुनिश्चित है कि
हम किसी भी भ्रष्ट आचरण का हिस्सा नहीं है।
हम
कि हम
किसी भी
सभी
भ्रष्ट आचरण का
किसी भी
हिस्सा
आचरण
नहीं
का
हैं
हिस्सा नहीं हैं
तथा भ्रष्टाचार के दृष्टांतों पर
तथा भ्रष्टाचार के दृष्टांतों
भ्रष्टाचार
पर
के दुष्प्रभाव
हम अत्यधिक शक्ति से कार्रवाई करते हैं।
हम अत्यधिक सख्ती से कार्रवाई करते हैं।
हम मानते हैं कि
हम मानते हैं कि
भ्रष्टाचार उन्मूलन करने में
भ्रष्टाचार उन्मूलन करने में
तथा अपने कार्यों के सभी पहलुओं में
तथा अपने
तथा
कार्यों
अपने
के
कार्यों
सभी
के
पहलुओं में
सत्यनिष्ठा,
सत्यनिष्ठा,
पारदर्शिता तथा
पारदर्शिता तथा
सुशासन के उच्चतम
उच्चतम
शासन के
मानक बनाए रखने के लिए
मानक बनाए रखने के लिए
एक संगठन होने के नाते
एक संगठन होने के नाते
एक संगठन होने के नाते
हमें सामने से नेतृत्व करना होगा।
हमें सामने से नेतृत्व करना होगा।
अतः हम प्रतिज्ञा करते हैं कि हम नीतिपरक कार्य पद्धतियों को बढ़ावा देंगे तथा ईमानदारी और सत्यनिष्ठा की संस्कृति को प्रोत्साहन देंगे। हम ना तो रिश्वत देंगे और ना ही रिश्वत लेंगे। हम पारदर्शिता, ईमानदारी तथा निष्पक्षता पर आधारित निगमित
सुशासन की प्रतिज्ञा करते हैं।
हम अपने सभी कर्मचारियों के लिए एक नीति संहिता अपनाएंगे। हम अपने कर्मचारियों को उनके कर्तव्यों के ईमानदार निष्पादन के लिए उनके कार्य से संबद्ध नियमों विनियमों आदि के बारे में सुग्राही बनाएंगे। हम समस्याओं तथा कपटपूर्ण कार्यकलापों की सूचना देने के लिए समस्या समाधान तथा पर्दाफाश तथा का प्रबंध करेंगे। हम संबंधित पक्षों
हम संबंधित पक्षों
हम
एवं
संबंधित
समाज के
पक्षों
अधिकारियों तथा
एवं समाज के अधिकारों
एवं समाज के
तथा
अधिकारों
हितों का संरक्षण करेंगे।
हितों का संरक्षण करेंगे।
तथा
हाँ।
करेंगे।
Now let us all take the pledge in English. So I'll just read it out in English. You please repeat it. We believe that corruption has been one of the major obstacles to economic.
We believe that corruption has
We
been
believe
one of the
that
major obstacles
corruption
to
has
economic,
been one of the major obstacles to economic,
Political and social progress of our country.
political and social progress of our country.
and social progress of our country.
We believe that all stakeholders
We believe that all stakeholders,
We believe that all stakeholders,
such as government,
such as government,
such as
citizens and private sector,
citizens and private sector,
need to work together
need to work together
to eradicate corruption.
work together.
to eradicate corruption.
We acknowledge our
Corruption.
responsibility
We acknowledge our responsibility
to lead by example
to lead by example
and the need to put in place safeguards,
and the need to put in place safeguards,
integrity frameworks,
integrity frameworks,
and code of ethics
and code of ethics
to ensure that we are not part of
to ensure that we are not part of
any corrupt practice,
any corrupt practice,
and we tackle instances of corruption
and we tackle instances of corruption
with utmost strictness.
with utmost strictness.
We realize that as an organization,
We realize that as an organization,
we need to lead from the front
we need to lead from the front
in eradicating corruption
in eradicating corruption
and in maintaining highest standards of integrity,
and in maintaining highest standards of integrity,
transparency,
transparency,
and good governance
and good governance
in all aspects of our operations.
in all aspects of our operations.
We therefore pledge that
We therefore pledge that
we shall promote
we shall promote
ethical business practices
ethical business practices
and foster a culture of honesty and integrity.
and foster a culture of honesty and integrity.
We shall not offer or accept bribes.
We shall not offer or accept bribes.
We commit to good corporate governance
We commit to good corporate governance
based on transparency,
based on transparency,
accountability,
accountability,
and fairness.
and fairness.
We shall adhere to relevant laws,
We shall adhere to relevant laws,
rules and compliance mechanisms
rules and compliance mechanisms
in the conduct of business.
in the conduct of business.
We shall adopt
We shall adopt
a code of ethics
a code of ethics
for all our employees.
for all our employees.
We shall sensitize our employees
We shall sensitize our employees
of laws,
of laws,
regulations, etc.
regulations, etc.
relevant to their work
relevant to their work
for honest discharge of their duties.
for honest discharge of their duties.
We shall provide grievance redressal
We shall provide grievance redressal
and whistleblower mechanism
and whistleblower mechanism
for reporting grievances
for reporting grievances
and fraudulent activities.
and fraudulent activities.
We shall protect the rights
We shall protect the rights
and interests of stakeholders
and interests of stakeholders
and the society at large.
and the society at large.
Thank you. Thank you for joining.
Thank you. Okay, thank you, madam.